Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Outlets Rush on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, from your device, open up the Google Play Store, and once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in Outlets Rush and start your search. Once you find the Outlets Rush application, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Outlets Rush game on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the play button, you can tap on it to open up the game. And now you can start enjoying the Outlets Rush game on your Android device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Outlets Rush application on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.